When it comes to moving averages, most people just think about the same old crossover system, the boring golden cross or general trend following. Indicator trading can be much more, and there are so many use cases for all indicators. In the video below, I provide a brief introduction into a moving average channel system. I am a huge fan of all types of indicators. However, most traders do not even know about all the great opportunities and possibilities that indicators offer. I hope that this video, or the 14 Setups course, will provide a lot of new input and help you elevate your trading to the next level. This day trading setup by Jake Bernstein uses a moving average channel to figure out trend and key support and resistance levels. For our review, we will build a moving average channel with a 20-period SMA of highs and lows. Read, Displaced Moving Average Channel Trading Strategy Trading Rules. Moving average channel day trade. Long day trade. Wait for 2 consecutive bars to move entirely above the high of the channel. Buy as price tests the 20 SMA of lows. More aggressive traders can buy on test of 20 SMA of highs. Short day trade. Wait for 2 consecutive bars to move entirely below the low of the channel. Short as price tests the 20 SMA of highs. More aggressive traders can sell on test of 20 SMA of lows. Trading examples. Moving average channel day trade. Moving average channels use a moving average of price to create an envelope above and below the moving average line at a user-specified number of standard deviations. The point of this study is to create a channel which represents support and resistance at its outer bounds based on the moving average. As always, the period of the moving average should match the trading time horizon of interest to the user. As price moves above its end period moving average, a bullish indication is noted. Conversely, a price move below its X period moving average is a bearish event. Using standard deviation to create a boundary above and below the moving average attempts to give the user a handle on how far the price has moved from the moving average in the past. The following approximations offer a few rules of thumb for using the standard deviation settings. Plus or minus 1 standard deviation takes in 68.3% of all expected outcomes. Plus or minus 2 standard deviations takes in 95.4% of all expected outcomes. Plus or minus 3 standard deviations takes in 99.7% of all expected outcomes. In other words, you would expect to see a price move outside the moving average band using 1 standard deviation, 1 in 3 chance 2 standard deviations, 1 in 20 chance 3 standard deviations, 1 in 370 chance using a standard deviation which includes 99.7% of all possible occurrences. Sets levels in the study which may never be tested. You may enter decimal numbers which enable you to adjust the sensitivity of the bands. Note that the standard deviation is a moving standard deviation and quad. The user may specify the period to use for the standard deviation calculation, usually, but not necessarily the same period as the moving average itself. What are Donchian channels? Donchian channels are 3 lines generated by moving average calculations that comprise an indicator formed by upper and lower bands around a mid-range or median band. The upper band marks the highest price of a security over end periods, while the lower band marks the lowest price of a security over end periods. The area between the upper and lower bands represents the Donchian channel. Career futures trader Richard Donchian developed the indicator in the mid-20th century to help him identify trends. He would later be nicknamed the father of trend following. This chart shows a 5-minute chart of the E-mini S&P futures. The 2 circled bars went completely below the moving average channel and confirmed the downtrend. For a conservative trade, we placed a sell limit order at the top of the channel. As prices spiked up to hit the channel top, we entered a short position at 1,347.25. Prices continued down until 1338 and gave a profit potential of 9.25 points, while risking almost nothing as the trade went in our direction immediately after we entered. In this example, the moving average channel highlighted the strong bear spike as price moved beyond the channel. The top channel line gave excellent resistance and minimized our risk. Even if we entered as the bearish outside bar broke the low of the previous bar, it was still a good entry with little adverse movement. The formula for Donchian channels is UC equals highest high in last periods, middle channel equals +/2 LC equals lowest low in last periods, where colon equals upper channel equals number of minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, period equals minutes, hours, days, weeks, months equals lower channel UC equals highest high in last end periods, middle channel equals UC plus LC/2 LC equals lowest low in last end periods, where UC equals upper channel equals number of minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, period equals minutes, hours, days, weeks, months. LC equals lower channel. How to calculate Donchian channels? Channel high, choose the time period, n minutes/hours/days/weeks/months. Compare the high print for each minute, hour, day, week, or month over that period. Choose the highest print. Plot the result. Channel low, choose the time period, n minutes/hours/days/weeks/months. Compare the low print for each minute, hour, day, week, or month over that period. Choose the lowest print. Plot the result. Center channel, choose the time period, N minutes/hours/days/weeks/months. Compare high and low prints for each minute, hour, day, week, or month over that period. Add the lowest low print to the highest high print and divide